evening. I'm Craig Ford.
And I'm Emily Leonard. We first reported it as breaking news on WTVA 9 News at 4. Tupelo City Councilwoman Davis and co-defendant Reverend Charles Penson avoid going to trial for putting up a cash prize to be drawn for in order to encourage people to vote.
That's because a judge today disposed of the charges against the two. WTVA's Garner Montgomery has been following the story all day.
He is live now outside of the Lee County Justice Center to tell us about how this case was settled.
Today, the criminal trial was set to begin. I was here at Lee County Justice Court this morning for the jury selection process, but at around 1 o'clock today, the jury candidates got the call saying that they were dismissed because the case was settled. Defense attorney Jim Wade says his client, Nettie Davis, organized a raffle to encourage people to vote in the June 8th, 2021 city election. But once she learned that that was against state election law, she called off her plans. But later, she and Reverend Charles Penson were both charged and had to await trial for 2 years. And now, on the date of that criminal trial, the charges were disposed of and neither will be sentenced. Davis will also keep her position as city councilwoman. Wade says she will continue to be an advocate for getting African Americans in Mississippi out to vote on Election Day, but of course within the jurisdiction of state election laws. Wade says more charges like these might be presented, though, including one against an unnamed Republican candidate he says are upcoming. And he also says these charges are going too far.
All the charges, both made against Mr. Penson and Ms. Davis, and the charges made against this Republican candidate are minor things that will discourage people from running to office and that really shouldn't be the subject of criminal prosecutions, in my opinion.
And despite not being sentenced, Davis will be charged $700 in fine for these misdemeanor charges. But of course, she will not be removed as city councilwoman. She will not be charged officially as a criminal or anything like that. So she says, according to Jim, that she is grateful that she is still able to serve the people of Tupelo as city councilwoman. Reporting live from Tupelo, Garner Montgomery, WTVA 9 News.